Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will explain and show you how you can create or make intro for YouTube with InShot video editor, okay? But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment. Also you can share my video. Open your application. After doing this, we will create intro for YouTube, okay? This is for example, and you can click new for this. After that, click material. Of course, you can select intro in this section. So for example, I will select this intro for YouTube, okay? And select done. And we can play. So that is the way how you can create intro for YouTube or to your video, okay? Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.